morning to all of you. Myself Gautam Kumar Mishra. Today I am going to teach you about the number system part 1. I am from Gyan Niketan school. Now there are two systems. One is international system and the other is Indian system. In this process of two systems, we can express any numbers now, and also we can compare between the two systems. This is, I have written, you see, this is international system. If you go to compare between these two systems, there are periods and places. In the international system, you see, periods are ones, thousands, millions, billions, trillions. In this way it will be continued. And in the Indian system, if you see very carefully, this is ones, thousand, lakhs, crore. These are the periods in these two systems. Now, the places. In one place in the international system, first it comes one place, and then it comes 10 place, and then it 100 place. And in the 1000 period, we are having 1000 place, 10,000 place, 100,000. And next we are getting millions period. In the millions period, we are getting places million, 10 million and 100 million. And in the billions, billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. And next it comes trillions. Trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion. These are the places and the periods in the international system. Now in Indian system, the places are 1 place and 10 place and 100 place. In the one period, in both the system, if you compare, both are having each 3 places, 1, 10, 100, in this also 1, 10 and 100. And in the 1000 place in the Indian system, this is 1000, 10,000. But in the international system, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. But in the Indian system, if you see very carefully, after 1000 it comes lakhs. It comes lakh and 10 lakh, and then it comes crore. In the crore period, we are having crore, 10 crore, 100 crore, 1000 crore. In this way, it will be continued. Now, if you see very carefully, if you go to compare between these two systems, directly you can find out, if you are asked to give the answer, how much million is equal to 1 million, how much lakhs equal to 1 million. If you see the million and if you come down in the Indian system, you will get 10 lakhs. So from the table, at least you can write that 1 million, it comes 10 lakhs. And then, suppose you are being asked 1 crore in the Indian system, how much million? If you go up to the crore means the place in the Indian system. But it comes in the international system, it is come 10 million. So 1 crore, if you go up in the international system, you will get 10 million. Now in this way, if you go 1 billion, if you are asked to find out 1 billion, how much crore? 1 billion, if you see 1 billion, this is billion, and you come down, a straight come down in the Indian system, you will get 100 crore. So you will get 1 billion will come directly as 100 crore. Now next, if you come in the trillion, so 1 trillion, 1 lakh crore. So from the table, you can find out how much lakh equal to how much thousand, and 1 lakh, how much thousand equal to 1 lakh, it is 100,000. You see in the international system. Now how we will place, how we will arrange numbers in the ascending or descending order. First of all, a number is given and you place, suppose this is the number, you place. If it is to be expressed in the international system, then you put all the digits from the right side. In the international system, suppose this is 987965. You put it in the box, you can see, you can find that what is the number. At least you can write that this is how much? 987,965. This is the, but sorry. But if this is, suppose this is in the Indian system, this is you see 35694,320. Now it will be 569 lakhs. This is you see 569 lakhs. That is 5 crore 69 lakhs 43,201 according to the Indian system. But the same number according to the international system, it will be 56 million. See, this is 10 million, this is million. Now 56 million and 943,000. This is 1,000 and 201. So a number can be expressed in both the system. In words, if you are asked to write in words, you can write it very easily. So these two tables are very, very important for your future learning also. Now this is the separation. How will a number is given 36? How will separate the period according to the Indian system or as well as on the basis of international place system. Now this is 36363. It is given. Now if you are asked to find out the period, if you asked to separate the period of the given number on the basis of Indian system, you see very carefully that in Indian system, in the past period, that is, in the ones period, there are 3 places. So put from the right side, put a comma before 3 digits, and then after each 2 digits, 1 period is coming. That is 1,000 period, lakhs period, and crore period is coming. So after 3 digits, after putting comma, then again you put every is 2 digits before. Every 2 digits before you put comma, then you will get the separation of the period of the given number on the basis of Indian system. But in the international system, if you see very carefully, that period, in each period having 3 places. One period having 3 places, 1,000 period in the international system. 1,000 period also having 3 places. Millions period also having 3 places. Billion also having 3 places. And trillion also having 3 places. Now, so if you are asked to separate the given number on the basis of international system, separate the given number into periods on the basis of international system, then every time from the right side you put a comma before 3 digits also, every time. So this is what we will write. This is after breaking the given number into periods by putting comma on the basis of international system. Now you can write this number in words. So as this is ones and this is 1,000 and this is million. So you can write it 363,636,363. Thank you. Thank you. That's all for today. Again we will meet in our next class. Thank you.